friends, today I'm going to share with you a very easy and yummy recipe of banana bread. So let's start with the ingredients. Bananas, half cup of brown sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, 100 grams of butter melted, 1 egg lard, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to use half cup of chocolate chips, a pinch of salt. I have lined up my baking pan of 4 by 8 inch. You can also use these ready-made cake molds or cake shapes. Okay, I have preheated my oven at 175 degrees centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit. Let's start preparing the mixture. Peel the bananas and mash them. So once the bananas are mashed, I'm going to add 100 grams of butter, melted butter, egg, sugar, and I will mix them by using a whisk. I'm using brown sugar, you can use white sugar as well. Vanilla essence around 1 teaspoon. One and a half cup of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And almost a pinch of salt. Now we will mix it with using a spatula. Now the mixture is, or the batter is ready. Okay, this is the consistency. Now I'll add the chocolate chips, half cup of chocolate chips. We are going to bake this bread for 1 hour to 50 minutes at 175 degrees centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, I have taken it out of the oven after exactly 1 hour. Now I'll remove it from the pan and I'll leave it on the rack to cool down.